So welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Whoever said bat-winged eyeliner was easy was a damn lie, okay? A lie. This was really hard to do. I was using a super fine pointed brush tip liquid eyeliner, a felt tip liquid eyeliner, I have black pencil liner, I have concealer everywhere. I was struggling, okay? So if you're wondering why one of my eyeliner sides is covered up, it's because this is the better of the two. It's sad, honestly, but this, I just gave up on this side eventually and just, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this installment of 31 Days of Halloween. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers. If I hit that in October, the video will be going up for my giveaway in November because I am pre-filming. And yeah. I'm so sorry this did not come out better, and also I'm gonna hop off of here so you guys can get into the actual video. I hope you enjoy it. Once again, if you do, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of Halloween. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes with any concealer. I'm using white to get the best color payoff, I guess. Blend that out, and then we're gonna start blending eyeshadows onto our lids. I'm starting off taking a light purpley shade and really focusing this on my crease in a half moon shape and just blending. Then I decided I wanted this to be a little more vampy, so I'm mixing red into it to make a really pretty burgundy magenta-y color. You can do any colors you want. I just thought a really pretty pinky red would be awesome with it. Now I'm going to cut my crease out in a half moon shape. This doesn't have to be super opaque. You really just want to get the shape how you want it because we're going to be blending a dark shadow over it, so the opaqueness does not really matter here. Once you get your lids cut exactly how you want it, I'm taking a matte black eyeshadow and stamping this over all of that concealer we just laid down. This again doesn't have to be overly opaque or anything, you just want to get that darkness down. Once we have that done, I'm going to take a little bit more of a red shadow and blend into my crease a little bit, blending out that black just a tad so it doesn't look so cray-cray. I mean, it's going to look cray-cray no matter what, but you know what I'm trying to say. And now I'm going to take a silver glittery shimmery silver eyeshadow and blend that over the black just to give it a really dark glittery look. We're going to apply our foundation, concealer, and all of that as we normally would. The only thing I do is lighten my foundation just a little bit. It's kind of hard to go lighter than liquid paper white, but I do just a little bit. Would it have been smarter for me to mix this into my foundation? Absolutely. I layered it because I'm slow, but you know what? It's optional to lighten your foundation if you just really want to. Now I'm using a white concealer to make my skin even paler. I know it's hard to get paler than me, but it is possible. Now I am setting under my eyes and pretty much my whole face with this, I don't even know, highlighting powder. It's a matte highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. This was like literally the lightest shade I could find that wasn't translucent. Once we have that done, I'm using the same little duo from Wet n Wild to apply a contour, and I'm not really doing anything different from my normal steps here. Just contour your skin. You can use a gray tone if you really want to. I'm applying just a little bit of an orange peachy blush, and I definitely overdid it. Super easy fix, just take your dampened beauty sponge and pounce over it to tone down the pigment. Now to highlight, I'm taking a mix of green and white highlighters just to give my skin a glow. We always have to have a glow going on. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows like normal with a taupe brow pencil, and then I go over them with black shadow to darken them. You can use a black eyeliner pencil if you want to, but this is what works better for me. Now we're taking a black pencil liner and super smudging out our lower lash line and our waterline. You'll want this thick, girl. Thick, and super smudged out and blended pretty low. And this is where everything started to go downhill. I'm starting out with a regular wing shape coming out of each eye. You're going to extend it pretty far so you have room to do the bat wings on your wing. I'm struggling already. So on the top, I just did 2 little triangles and kind of curving the bottom of them back out a little bit on either side, filling it in with my eyeliner pen. This was literally the hardest thing I have ever done makeup wise. It was ridiculous. I'm doing 3 triangles on the bottom and filling those in. Practice this, guys. If you're gonna wear it, practice before you go out for the night. You can always go back and clean up everything with concealer if you have enough patience. I kind of gave up. I do clean it up just a little bit with concealer. I definitely just realized I'm only adding in the second triangle on top right now. But I mean, end result. I'm not 100% happy, but I'm moving on to the other eye, repeating the same steps. Now I'm just finishing my liner on top out. We're going to do a little bit of cleaning up with our concealer and a super small brush. I'm just applying some of the concealer to the back of my hand and picking some up on my brush and kind of going through and cleaning up the triangles a little bit. This was the whole bane of my existence. This sucked so much. Now we're going to do some mascara and falsies, and I do run my mascara through my eyebrows just to make them a little more black. And now I'm just looking at it and seeing they're not even, so I'm attempting to even them out. I wanted to do this video even though it did not end up how I wanted it to show you guys that everything's not perfect, nothing goes right the first time. Almost never does that happen. So I wanted to show that even though you have a mistake, you can still work through it and try to even it out as much as you can. I decided these would look a lot better if I slightly curved out the outer edges of my bat wings. Now I'm just applying a black mascara, a black liquid lipstick. Taking the same liquid eyeliner pen, I'm just extending the corners of my smile out to give a creepy feel. This is also super unnecessary. I just like the way it looked. Now I'm coming back one more time to curve this out a little bit more and round out the end of it. And this is also where I completely gave up on the other eye. and decided to try to make this eye look as best as I could. I'm trying. Now I'm going to do some inner corner and underbrow highlighting, just really, really quick. Also not necessary. I also add a little bit onto the bat wing just to give it a little glimmer and hopefully distract from the bad shaping of it. That's it, guys. I told you, this is not as easy as Pinterest made it look. I'm not gonna lie. I did not put a reference picture in my video because I didn't go off one specific picture. I don't even have like pictures around me. I just looked up a bunch of different, I just Pinterest searched bat makeup. So some of it was eyeliner, some of it was the lips, some of it was like an actual bat mask drawn on the face. I just drew inspiration. I really just needed to know the shape of wings to go off of, which are redonk hard. I don't know if it was my eyeliner I was using. I used 3 different types of eyeliners and concealer to clean up, and it was so hard. So now that you can see how completely bad and uneven these are, I'm so sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all tomorrow.